Hello, my name is Nikola and today I'm going to show you how to make a winter maintenance of your YieldKit installation. First we are going to make mechanical checks. Remove both yield sensors, transmitter and receiver, and clean the two glass discs. If after cleaning it isn't transparent, replace them. Reinstall both sensors. Open the elevator bottom protection and clean the surface of the moisture sensor. If it's scratched, replace it. It's important to check that the elevator pedals don't touch the moisture sensor. Second part are the hardware and software checks. Move the combine outside on the open sky. Supply power to the YieldKit and check if the iPad is installed and connected to USB at charging. Check the internet connection of the iPad. Check if the FieldView drive is installed. Update the app from the App Store. Open the FieldView Cap app and check the expiration date. Update the YieldKit app from the App Store. Open the YieldKit app and connect to the YieldKit. If there is update, proceed with the update of the YieldKit and moisture sensor. After everything is done, power off the device and wait 30 seconds before you turn on the YieldKit again. Reconnect the YieldKit app to the YieldKit. Wait 30 seconds and check if the moisture sensor is blue. If it's blue, it means that the moisture sensor is working. If it's not blue, that means that the moisture sensor is not connected to the main ECU of the YieldKit. Go to Advanced Settings in the Yield Monitoring and check in GPS window if you have the GPS fixed, which means that the GPS is working. If there is no connection to the YieldKit ECU, you have to check the diagnostic LEDs. If there is no white, that means that the ECU has no power. If there is the green light, that means ECU is waiting to be connected to the iPad. If there is a blue light, that means ECU is connected to iPad. If the tap connect the moisture sensor is not in blue, you have to check the diagnostic diode of the moisture sensor. If it's dark or white red, it means that the moisture sensor is for replacement. If it's blinking green, you have to wait a couple of minutes, and after that the moisture sensor will be ready. The next step is the YieldKit optical sensor diagnostic. If it's powered on, there should be a green light. At the beginning of the season, it is mandatory to make device calibration following the manual. That's it. If you need any assistance, please contact your nearest buyer representative or the dealer that supplied you with the YieldKit system.